Hello, children. I hope you all are safe at home. Without wasting our time, we are going to start the second chapter in the history, that is the growth of nationalism. Here are some of the dates mentioned over here, how the growth has taken place in the nationalism. Kindly go through it. Now, let's see what are the revolutions has been taken up, held up during the 1750 to 1800 BC. Okay, children. So you might have seen here it was mentioned at the American Revolution. Revolution. Now, witness 18th century witnessed two great revolutions. That is, there are powerful one. That is one, the American Revolution, and second is the French Revolution. Now, what is revolution actually? Yes, the revolution inspired colonies the world over to fight against the colonies' oppression. The French Revolution, which followed soon, ended monarchism and feudalism in France, encouraging nations around the world to engage in similar struggles. The two revolutions thus laid the basis of another powerful movement is nationalism. Nationalism, you read in the first chapter already. Yes, children. Now, the American and the French Revolution, two earliest nationalist movements in the history. The American Revolution, the voyage of Christopher and Columbus, yes, between the years 1942 to 1502, it was taken place. Whereas, now what are the causes? And what is this revolution for? Just War of Independence. That's the American Revolution. Why it was happened? Just they want the independence from the monarchism or from the rulers or British rulers and all. The causes. The causes is that the American wanted them to remove when the British refused to do, the American revolted. Trade restrictions, yes. Navigation Act was taken place. Stamp Act was taken place and Declaration Act was taken place. Here, some philosophers were also influenced, like Thomas Jefferson, Thomas Paine, John Milton, and James. These are the philosophers who inspired a lot, who wrote about the need of the liberty and the equality for the American Revolution. Now, if you read this spotlight, you will come to know the complete navigate Native Americans. This incident is known as the Boston Tea Party. The British government reacted strongly. The port of Boston was closed and the self-government of the Massachusetts was annulled, declared invalid. This incident spark of the wire. This is the Boston Tea Party. Okay, children? The course of the war. Now, in the course of this war, in 1774, the representatives from all colonies except Georgia met at the Congress and Philadelphia. This came to known as the First Congress. At First Congress, the first representative request King George III of England and to restore their rights. The king refused and tried to suppress the colonies. This led to armed clashes between the Britishers and the American soldiers. The Second Congress also appealed to the king to get not to impose taxes without their consent. The king regarded this act of rebellion and declared war in April 1775. The British troops were under the command of Lord Cornwallis and the Americans under the command of General Washington. The Americans finally won the war and military assistance from France. Now, the Declaration of Independence was signed at Third Congress at Philadelphia on July 4, 1776 by 13 colonies declared unindependence from Britain. Then United States of America formed. The result of the war, Treaty of Paris, 1783. In 1789, the national government of United States America adopted a republic constitution. That was George Washington was elected as the first prime minister of USA. This was happened after the independence. So America got independence on 14 July 1776. And who was the first president of USA, children? Yes, George Washington. And when the National Congress was formed in 1789, the government was formed. This is the first flag of USA, was adopted in 1777. Okay, children. So this was about the American Revolution. Now let's come to the French Revolution. French Revolution took place in the latter part of 18th century. Was a reaction against the proscription of common people by the noble people, royalty of France. The success of the revolution inspired people all over the world to fight for freedom and equality. Now, causes: first state, it considered to be serfs. They were in number but owned the maximum property. However, they paid no tax. Then the second is that they were. It is consisted consider of the nobility. They own a lot property and no tax. Then it consists of doctors, lawyers, teachers, industrial workers, and peasants. The heaviest tax were levied on them. They usually suffered on the hand of top two classes and desperately wanted to change in the social system. This is the caricature drawn by 1979, shows how the third state is bent in suffering because of has to carry the burden of the first and the second states. Now, political. Now, political traditional French monarchs believed that they had divine right to rule. That is, they began given to right to rule God Himself. As a result, they were highly autocratic and considered their right to above questions or criticism. Their power reached to peak under Louis XIV, that is 1643 to 1715. Success is very weak. They continue to lead life of extravagance. The people finally revolted during the rule Louis XVI. Economic. A number of famines in the France led to several shortage of food and increase. Famine is nothing but what happened till no water, for no rain, and the land get dry. Okay. Now influence of philosophers. Philosophers like Montesquieu, Voltaire, Rousseau, and Locke inspired the French people through their writings. They spread the ideas of liberty, freedom, equality, and fraternity. Now, influence of American War of Independence. Now, as they have seen that America got the independence through the war, so they thought to follow it. The American War inspired a lot to the people of France also. So they outbreak the revolution, the tennis court oath, and the National Assembly. This came to be known as the famous tennis court oath. So here the storming of Bastille. Next, the end of monarchism came into an exist. On 14 July 1789, the Bastille, the state prison, was attacked by the angry mob of the countryside and all prisoners were freed. They all joined the revolution. The end of monarch was established in 1792. The queen and queen tried to escape, but they were captured and executed in Galician in 1793. This marked the end of the monarchy in France. Impact of revolution. The revolution swept away the power of monarch and the France was declared republic. Yes, the ideal of revolution, namely liberty, equality, and fraternity. The why see the people when people suffer when they came to know the power, definitely everyone would like to fight for themselves. So उनका था liberty, equality, and fraternity. So a new government called the Directory was set up in France in 1979, which depended on the military genius of Napoleon Bonaparte. With Napoleon as its head, the Directory was able to establish order in France and successfully defeat the European monarchies that were supposed to the new French government. So here the Napoleon came into an existence. So this is the declaration and the right of men and citizen in 1789 in France, in French. And these are the paintings that shown a man right after the revolution holding new flag of France. Okay, children. So this is the chapter of the revolution in American and the growth of nationalism, which where you have studied about the powerful impact across the American Revolution and the French Revolution. Notes I am going to send you through the PDF or or in the image format. Do complete it, revise, read the lesson clear, because reading can clear your doubts. All the best. We'll meet you in next class. Bye bye. Till then, bye bye. Take care.